Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, and today, super quick, I'm going to show you how to reset your workspace, okay? So if you've messed everything up, okay, so you've moved that there, this over here, how are you going to get it back to where it was? Well, you're going to head up into Window, you're going to go across to Workspaces, and you're going to press Reset to Saved Layout. And you can see it's gone back to what it was before. Now, I usually hide this, so let's close that panel, okay? And what I'm going to show you the next thing, okay? Head up into Window, where your workspaces is, you can save as new workspace, okay? So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to type no learn. Oh, I spelled that wrong. No learn, okay? So now that is saved, I'm going to mess it up again, okay? Just like that. Window, Workspaces, reset to save layout. And it's gone straight back to what it was without the learn. So, what have I showed you today? I've showed you how to reset in Windows, reset workspaces, reset workspace. I've also showed you how to save a new one and to go back to that one as well. So, thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.